Hey guys, it's Gabby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a home decor shop with me. It's going to be a bit epic because we're going to CB2, Crate and Barrel, Restoration Hardware, West Elm, HomeGoods. Oh, and we passed by Z Gallery. My parents are actually in the process of redecorating their home, so we wanted to go to get a bit of inspiration. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and comment down below with what your favorite item was. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. Let's go shopping. This literally looks like a sheep. They sell this at IKEA for like $2. Alright, so we just got done at CB2 and now we're headed to the HomeGoods in Midtown. Very nice. If you agree that this is hideous.
You just don't like it because it's got holes in it. It looks like a lily pad.
Yeah, lily pods freak me out. If you think this is ugly, comment down below that you agree with me. Or tell me I'm wrong. I don't know what the name of it is, but like things with a bunch of holes like this really do freak me out. Like I'm not scared of it, it's just, it freaks me out. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy, I might drop a $130 vase. With my little tiny arms. Alright, so my parents are in the process of redecorating their room and they're looking for a rug. What do you think about this one? I'm actually really bad at picking out rugs. Alright, so did you guys know that silk comes from a worm? I had no idea. I was just informed. So let me know if I'm just dumb. I love this little lamp. I was gonna get it, but it's a little bit too much gold in my space. Alright, I think our final stop of the day is going to be West Elm. And of course I will be taking you with me. Interesting, I've never seen a clear planter. This one's nice too. $150, but it's nice. It has this, that's hilarious. And it's $350 here. And we definitely got the same one for like $80 from HomeGoods. Just like my dining chairs that I have in my house. A little lighter. And it's at $300, the cheapest one. But I definitely got mine for like $150. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Oh my gosh, look at this mirror. Holy moly. If you're gonna do a leather couch, this is how you need to do it.
Dragon.
What is this? What is this? You know. It's at HomeGoods. This exact one. $28. $12 at HomeGoods. That's a scam. If you like the wicker look, this is cute. I've also seen this at HomeGoods before. This is nice. I like this mirror. Alright, we just got done at Restoration Hardware and then we went to CB2 and Z Gallery. And now I think we're done for the day. I'm tired. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below with what your favorite item was. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you on the next shop with me.